The Tomahawk 800's MIDI controller comes with 8 groups of normal parameters and 8 groups of extended parameters. Now, to select the groups of normal parameters, first of all the bank button must be selected to the 1 position. This then will allow you to press the 8 group buttons on the front here, selecting the parameter that is labelled above it. For example, the first button will select DC01 harmonic modulation. The 5th button will select envelope generator 1, and the 4th button VCF and chorus group. Now, if you want to select the extended groups of parameters, then you set the bank button to 2, and then the label below the button will refer to the group of parameters that you are now changing. So the first button will now refer to LFO1. The 5th button will refer to VCF resonance modulation, and the 4th button will be the VCF modulation. So when you then select a bank or a group of a parameter group, you can then select the individual parameters within that group by using the sliders, and the value is referenced in the value LED display on the Korg. So you can see that some values have a short range. This value here, for example, is 1 to 4, and it uses the whole range of the slider to change the group. This one, for example, has 15 settings, and again the whole slider covers that range. Now, I've also added a couple of modes, so rather than pressing the bank button to select normal or extended groups, you can just toggle between a normal or an extended group with the press of the button. So now we've selected bank 3. This will then mean that the first press of the button will select a normal parameter, and you can see that the button has lit up to show that it's toggled in that particular state. If you press it a second time, it will give you the option to change the extended parameters. I have got that configured for bank 3 in this way. I've also done the opposite toggle in bank 4, where I press the first time it will give you the extended parameter and the button lights up. The second time you press it, it will give you the normal parameters. So there are multiple ways of using the controller, and you just choose the way which suits you depending on which bank button you have selected.